Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mazda CX-30 versus Skoda Karoq. We will delve into their distinct characteristics, from performance and interior design to practicality and technology. Our goal is to highlight what makes each SUV unique, helping you understand which vehicle aligns better with your preferences and lifestyle. Let's get started with a detailed look at these two popular contenders. When it comes to power, the Mazda CX-30 typically offers a 2.5-liter engine, delivering a robust 191 horsepower. This provides a spirited and engaging drive. The Skoda Karoq, on the other hand, often features a 1.5-liter TSI engine, producing around 150 horsepower, prioritizing efficiency and a comfortable ride. Both offer distinct driving philosophies. Inside, the Mazda CX-30 presents a premium cabin with an 8.8-inch infotainment display, controlled intuitively by a rotary dial. The Skoda Karoq counters with a highly practical interior, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen and available Vario Flex seating for enhanced versatility. Skoda also offers a virtual cockpit and clever storage solutions, appealing to those who value smart functionality. For practicality, the Mazda CX-30 provides 430 liters of boot space, expanding to 1,398 liters with the rear seats folded. The Skoda Karoq is more generous, offering 521 liters, growing to 1,630 liters. In terms of length, the CX-30 measures 4,395 millimeters, while the Karoq is slightly longer at 4,398 millimeters, often translating to more rear legroom.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.